How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be going over 2 trades I took today, give you the reasoning behind them, talk about the levels. Hope you all caught this with me inside Team Bull, or if you didn't, I hope you got it, or at least one of these levels. Hope you got it from my Instagram live. Well, both of them actually. Brandon joined us and he gave the Netflix level. But before we get started, as always, be sure you subscribe to my channel, click the thumbs up button, and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Let's get right into this. Let's take a look at the SPY on the hourly time frame. So this level I had pre-market was a reject level. 362.1 to 362 area was my level. Wanted to grab some puts there. And that's exactly what we did. It happened right off the open. We was already in this area. My stop loss was at 363. $2+ worth of room to, in the profit side. So give me roughly a little bit over 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. But anyway, let's take a look at this on the 5-minute. I want to talk about this. Yeah, we broke through it later in the day. Had a nice move up, as you can see. But that is not what we traded. This is where we got our entry on this reject. We were showing a reversal here, signaling for one. Had some selling volume coming in. We tried this light size. And it worked out. Had a nice move down. I got out 360 with my final price target on this. And I was all out of this trade. Then Brandon signaled a trade to the upside on QQQ. It worked out both ways. We caught the reject down. Then a lot of the members took the trade back up as well. It happens a lot in day trading. Just because someone's watching something long or someone's watching something short, it doesn't mean you can't make money both ways. You just got to know how to identify these key levels and understand. You have to understand how to read the volume, how to identify these key setups, and how to know which way to go. So ideally, when you're taking a breakout trade such as this, let's just look at this. You're not going to get in way down here unless you're anticipating the breakout, which I see people do, and it works out sometimes and sometimes it doesn't. You're going to wait till the bids get above that and hold. That's confirmation. You like to see what you see here, a nice increase in buying volume. As here, you want to see a nice increase in selling volume and possible reversal candles. So just something to keep in mind. Oh, I want to say this. I appreciate everyone that purchased that account building guide. I'm really shocked with how well it did. All the positive feedback I've got. Appreciate you all. I'll still leave it. I'm going to leave it up for a little while. So if you want that, it's at grizzlytrades.com, or you can just go to my link in bio on Instagram or Twitter, or I'll leave it in the description below. Anyways, let's take a look at another stock we traded today. Netflix, ticker NFLX. This is a simple breakout trade. As you can see here, Brandon brought this to my attention. He joined my Instagram live this morning, and he said, this is my top watch off the open. He said, I'm watching for Netflix to break above this hourly trend line. We had a little early entry. I had my trend line just a little high. We got in right here, the break of this level. When we played this move up, I used a 240 call for this trade. They moved really nicely. I didn't get the best feel, but I made good money off this trade. It was quick. This was considered a scalp. For those of you that do not know what a scalp is, that's the quickest type of trade. A lot of times it lasts seconds to minutes. So you better have a nice active trader setup if you plan on scalping. But that's all I have for you. If you have any questions about this, feel free to reach out to me. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching.